Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to add sound effects to your game in Unity. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your gun script, go in here, write public audio source, and you can do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna do gun. I'm gonna go in the void start, and I'm gonna type gun equals get component audio source, and then close it with a semicolon, and then go in the void update and try finding a if statement, right? Like this, and go in here and write gun dot play. Oh yeah, and you have to do that. Next, you're gonna save this, and you're basically done. But you have to go on Unity and wait for it to load, and go into the gun you have. Go on the gun. Add a thing called audio source. Once you have downloaded the audio you have, drag it into here. And drag the audio source into the gun. And you're basically done. If you click on play, it works. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.